Hi, it's Devin with Ground Force Metal Detecting. I want to make a short video and show you some footage that I made with my new GoPro Hero 4K. This is the brand new GoPro. It's a little bit smaller and it's a little lighter. This has just an internal battery on this one. Lasts 3 or 4 hours of recording. It's a simple GoPro. The clip is extra. I bought the clip from Amazon to clip on my hat. But take a look at the footage and see what you think. Fast 40 program. I have the XY screen on. Listen to the junk in this yard. Probably a penny. Right there. For some reason the ground not is frozen here. Not as bad. Nope, look at that. Popped right out. Yep, it's a penny. Penny. Patch this back together. Like a glove. Let's check down here. They rented this property, and went back using my Oculus and looked in about 10 years ago. They had picnic tables and areas out here. There's lots of stuff here. I'm gonna try to. It's getting dark. I'm gonna try to just sort of. Quarter. Here you could start to see the picture getting dark around the edges. It looks like there's kind of a tunnel vision circle in the middle. It was dusk, starting to get a little darker out, but I could still see what I was doing. Right there. That's a quarter. Who knows? Never know. You think it's a quarter? I'm frozen again. Isn't it weird? Certain parts of the yard, the sun's shining on. There it is. Hey, it's right there. Yep, quarter. Too dark to tell what it's old or new. I don't think it's an old one. Too shallow. It's one of these renters. These people had holes in their pockets that lived here. I pulled probably $60 or $70 out of here already, just in clad. Found some other cool stuff. Still absolutely full of stuff. 75, it's probably going to be a pull tab. I'll be back for it. I'm going to try to find some silver. What was that? Honey, when are you going to fix my pockets and my jeans? Fix them yourself. Probably could have bought new jeans. Could have bought 3 pairs of pretty expensive jeans for what I pulled out of here. What the heck? Yeah, it's really starting to get dark at this point. I can still see what I'm doing. It doesn't look like it. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Right there. Good as new. Another quarter. Getting dark. Guess we're going to check this GoPro camera. See how it does in... Reviews say it's not very good in low light. Penny. Might not be, but I'll be back for that later. Trying to find... I know there's silver here. Okay, now it's gotten completely dark, pretty much, and I'm using a flashlight. So here's how that looks. All right. Now this is what you call iron falsing, okay? And this is why the day is 2. Hear that sound? It's like kind of scratchy. It's like, and it's big. I mean, this is over a big area. Now look what happens when I turn 90 degrees. There's nothing there. It's a piece of iron. Rusty iron down in there. Now, compare that to that. That's a copper penny. See, I can turn any way I want. It's 84. Now, to pinpoint that, all right, I'll go different ways, but to pinpoint it, I'm going to wiggle on it, right? And I'm going to back off of it. Now, it's right there, but I do twice. So I go. So it's right there. It's right there. So maybe you're wondering what I meant by Oculus and going back to the house and seeing where the picnic table and the swing was that I mentioned. Oculus is the old term for the new Meta Quest virtual reality headset. So I use one, and there's a game called Wander that you can download and basically go anywhere in the world and stand in the street and look into their yard and you know, look around like you're there, and you can go back in time to certain years where whatever year the Google car went by, and that's what it is. So I went back like 10 years back and saw I saw where the picnic table was. There was a swing there. There was lawn chairs, stuff in the yard, motorcycles sitting there. I saw where they park, everything like that. Anyway, wanted to explain that. If you like my content, hit subscribe. But till next time, I'll catch you later. Thank you.